Well, no handcuffs yet, despite arrest warrants for those Texas Democrats who fled their state. As of Thursday, not one lawmaker has been locked up, and the group of Texans say that they're more determined than ever to block the GOP's restrictive voting bill. Our D.C. correspondent Bofta Yimam joins us live from the Capitol. And Bofta, they had a rally at the Supreme Court yesterday calling to end the filibuster. No signs of things slowing down.
No, not at all. Now, we know that this has been, and good morning, Shannon, and to everyone at home, this has been one of the longest showdowns over restrictive voting measures on the state level. The real purpose of them fleeing D.C., of course, was so that the quorum would not be met in Texas. But here in D.C., they were also working to do something else. They want to make sure that their voices are heard when it comes to that sweeping federal legislation, the For the People Act, which would supersede the GOP's efforts to restrict voting rights on the state level. The Senate is expected to take up voting rights and election reform bills by mid-September. Meanwhile, many of the remaining Texas lawmakers in D.C. now heading back home after weeks and weeks in the nation's capital. They held rallies on voting rights, secured meetings with high-level party leaders. But the GOP took things up a notch Tuesday. Arrest warrants were issued, as you mentioned, at the officers of the Texas Democrats. Now, the state Supreme Court ruled they could be arrested for fleeing the state to deny the GOP the quorum needed. Many of them now hiding out in undisclosed locations back in Texas. The goal now to stay united together and avoid Texas's capital.
I proudly stand here with my colleagues who have been so supportive and outspoken and leaders in this issue, defending our democracy. I stand for my constituents who are not only targeted by the GOP under this bill, but will be disproportionately harmed.
We also don't see a compelling reason to go back to the House right away when Greg Abbott has called another special session. That's nothing more than a 30-day campaign commercial for his reelection campaign. And so we're not interested in helping them pass an anti-voter bill. We're going to continue to use our voices to argue for federal voting rights legislation.
As for how long they'll refrain from Texas's capital, that remains to be seen, because some do want to address other pressing issues like the rising COVID-19 cases, as well as distribution of federal funding. All of those things with votes potentially taking place. They want in on that. Now they'll have to decide just how long, and how long will all of them remain united in their decision to not go to the Capitol.
And, you know, just as a reminder to our viewers, at least 18 states have already passed into law some form of voter restriction, and this year alone. And that's what these Texas Democrats are really fighting for, to make sure it doesn't happen there. But Bofta, many of these lawmakers have been in D.C. for weeks now. So talk a little bit about what it's been like for them spending that time there, and that they had this rally and they have an arrest warrant out for them. They could have just gone to the rally and arrested them.
Right. Well, they can't actually make arrests outside of the state. That's why when they returned back, they were hoping that this would encourage them to get back, saying that the GOP, taking things up a notch, putting on that pressure. But the arrests could only take place in Texas. So just want to address that real quick. And then as for what it's been like for them here in D.C., these are not Washingtonians. These are folks from Texas who came here not really knowing the lay of the land. And it sounds glamorous at the beginning, right? Get on a jet, less than 24 hours notice, Shannon, and end up in the nation's capital. But really, they had less than 24 hours to pack that suitcase, and they've been here for weeks. That means some of them missing out on work, time with family. Some of them have missed funerals, birthdays, anniversaries, vacations, all of those things. So it has been quite a bit of a sacrifice. And Texas lawmakers only make about $600 a month, and I say only in comparison to what you would make if you were working, of course, at the national level with the U.S. House of Representatives, for example. So $600 a month. Most of them hold down full-time jobs. They are real estate agents. They are stay-at-home moms. They are lawyers. They are educators. And so, one or two of them said they were worried about missing a mortgage payment because some of them can't work remotely. So this has been difficult. Also, they stayed at a decent-priced, hotel here. Some folks wondered, well, where are you getting the money from to pay for your stay for weeks in D.C.? Mostly it's been political contributions and then members paying with their own personal credit cards. So it's taken a lot of work for for them to be able to stay this long, both personally, professionally, financially for some of them. And something interesting to note, there is a hotel with, there's a pool rather inside of the hotel they're staying at, and it's been a scorching hot summer here, but Shannon, they haven't really been able to enjoy that because of optics. They don't want anyone to think, any Republicans who may be following them or taping them, to even think that they were taking this lightly and just relaxing by the pool. So they really have been hunkered down mostly inside of their hotel rooms or at rallies and so forth.
Wow, I had no idea it was that type of lifestyle for them, and that they had all these other jobs and everything. So thank you for bringing that to our attention and clarifying those details. Thanks, Bofta Yimam in D.C.